Shelter! Not a bad view. It's like a straight 10-foot vertical. All of a sudden the hail is really coming down. What do we got? This is ridiculous. Howdy folks, my name is Eric.
I'm Jordan.
And this is North American Adventures. It's been a while. We've had a bit of a filming hiatus, but we are now back in Las Vegas visiting my family. We've done a quick day trip out to the Red Rock Canyon Conservation Area. We just did the scenic drive, 13 miles. Quick little loop, that was very beautiful. There is a bit of hail now as we've arrived at Calico Basin Trailhead. We're only doing a 3.2 mile hike up about 680 feet. Guardian Angel Pass. So if you're looking forward to it, you're in luck. Alrighty folks, we've gone less than a mile and we've reached the Ascent. You can see there are people right around here and we're gonna meander our way up into that tree spot right around there. And that will be most of the 600 feet of elevation gain for today. So let's get to it. Shelter!
I need fire. I need fire.
Not a bad view. Beautiful view down over Vegas. And then you can see here, we only have another 200 or 300 feet up. We are getting tired. Pumping hard, it's been a while, but feeling good about it. Let's keep going. With grace. Gotta go over. Coming after you. Woo! Made it. It was quite steep. Now we've earned another view. Our lucky day. The red rocks here are gorgeous. It'd be nice if the sun was out, but still beautiful. It's quite windy here at the top of the pass, but the weather has held up reasonably well. The hail only started and stopped off and on for a few minutes, so that was not really a big concern. Still very dark clouds above us, but it's probably only like 50 or so, maybe even colder. But we're pumping uphill like crazy. It's still pretty warm. I'm sweating through my sweater, but we have the downhill ahead of us now, so looking forward to that. Squeeze! Made it back down. We have come down from Guardian Angel Pass there behind me. Nice and flat now again. Just going to wrap around a few rock structures before turning back towards the car.
Look at the air quay.
We have come down to this wash here now, which I believe we will follow back the majority of the way. We're getting a nice little sprinkling of hail again. See if you can see that on the camera. The scenic route comes over here, and then we need to go down, continue on through the wash back to the other parking lot. So we're about halfway, but the hard part is done with. Bucket of rocks! The cairns here are just buckets of rock. Kind of cool, I guess, but also weird. Not natural, of course. And voila,
Et voilà.
a cave. Pretty spacious. That's where we're going. The hail has come down again. Quite interesting weather patterns today. Loving it. Mother Nature doing her thing. You can see the coloration here is almost pink on these most closest rocks. Really nice. It's now switched from hail back to rain. Not too much further. What's the map say, map man? It's like a straight 10-foot vertical. There we go. All of a sudden the hail is really coming down.
There we go.
This is ridiculous.
Get the fuck out of here.
What? Gorgeous cactus here. The rain is coming down heavy now, but we should be finishing up in no time. Standard North American adventures. Nice. Almost there. Howdy folks, just got back to the car. It's now 4:30, so that took us around 2.5 hours. 3.2 miles, 700 feet of elevation gain. It was a bit tougher than I anticipated. There was a lot of rock scrambling coming up to the Guardian Angel Pass, but nonetheless, it was gorgeous. We loved it, and the weather didn't detract too much either. We like when Mother Nature throws everything at us every once in a while, so it's nice to get a little hail and some rain and be reminded you're never safe. We really enjoyed this Red Rocks conservation area. Definitely recommend it if you're in the Vegas area. It was only like 20 minutes or so drive. If you're looking forward to more hiking content, like the video down below, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we will see you in the next one.